With our new super easy LabelMaker tool, all you need to do to make wall labels anymore is copy, paste, and print. From here inside your CultureSpots administrator environment, just click on Tours, Manage Tours, and then right-click on the pretty URL for a tour and copy it to your clipboard. Then flip over to the LabelMaker that you'll have up in another browser tab and paste your tour's URL into the dialog box and click OK. Assuming you pasted a valid tour URL, you'll soon see the document update with a label for each spot in that tour. From here you can make any changes to the labels that you want, just like you would with the text in any other Google Doc, like changing the name of a spot, changing the numeric ID for a spot, or maybe even simplifying the pretty URL for a spot. It's all up to you, and everything you need for your wall labels is right there in front of you. And by the way, if you have ideas for different layouts or content for the LabelMaker, just let us know, and we'll get to work on getting you whatever it is you need. When you're ready, you can either print it directly from here in your Google Docs, or download it into another format so you can edit or print it later. To start over, just refresh your screen and it'll all go away so you can get started on labels for another tour. Email us whenever you're ready to get started and we'll set you up as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.